Start already?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is actually, this is a brand new bearing itself. So what we're going to do using this tin can load machine test is we're going to test the lubricity itself under high pressure on the point, and from then onwards we'll be able to see the wear and tear between commercial oil and what happens when commercial oil has our additive as well. Okay, so we're actually going to put the tin can bearing onto the main one. Okay, so before that what we'll do is we will fill this up. Okay, so this bath here, this is like a sump. This will actually simulate the oil reservoir that is commonly found in engines. Okay, so for today we'll be using this oil first, right? This is a good brand, commercially available in the market right now. Okay, but what we're going to do is we're going to see how well it holds up to pressure. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pour, okay, all over the bearing. Then we're going to fill up the bath. Okay, and then what we're going to do is let the main bearing actually rotate in this so that it's nicely coated. Alright, so now we're going to let this rest. Alright, let's touch this one first. Okay, so this will actually be the point loads that we're going to apply to allow the pressure to reach a very high level on the exact point. This actually use the compound leverage ratio of 1:27. So whatever weight that we put here is extrapolated by the amount. So as you can see, brand new bearing, no scratch, no scar. Alright, we let it run. So before I lower the compound lever itself, this is the M. This is actually going to show the resistance. Right? So with enhanced lubricity, you actually see a lower resistance itself. When it approaches failure, it will actually rise before sharply dropping down again. Okay, so we're going to lower the arm. This is without additive. Okay, we're going to do it one more time. What you actually experienced was the base oil failing in terms of the lubricity. So I'm going to lift this up. Let it run one more time, and I'm going to lower it down gently. Okay, look here. Okay, you will notice that the resistance is as such, and now I have to turn it off so that it does not burn the motor. Okay, so now we're going to inspect the damage, the scar on the bearing. Okay. Okay, so just take a look. This is base oil without additive. Alright. So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn the bearing around to a new side. So just to make sure it stays neutral, you will see me as I turn. Okay, I'm going to turn it to a new side. Okay, Peter, verify that this is a new side. Okay, it's a new side that's going to be in contact.
Yep.
This is the existing side.
Yep.
Alright. So doing the same test, but what we're going to do now, okay, alright, if I bring your attention here, okay, so this is just the oil alone without our additive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add in Lupromex right now, Lupromex EA, just a small percentage. Okay, alright, listen. Okay, for you to see, you might want to zoom in there so you can see how much I'm going to pour in. Just a splash. Okay, just a bit more. Okay, just a small percentage of the whole entire oil that you're going to use, all the oil volume. Same thing, we let it run and mix around a bit. Okay, So just now, just the base oil alone, without any other additive or any other elements inside, it already filled. So now, using a brand new side, same thing. Okay. This is the oil with additive. Let me just secure this. So this is not good enough. Alright, Lupromax was designed to actually push the boundary of lubrication. So now what we're going to do is, Peter, you do it yourself. Videotape. Alright, make sure there is actual weights. You can just add on to it. Lower it down. And the last one, how heavy is it, Peter?
It's like a few kg.
Yeah. Okay, let's lower it down. Okay, and then look here. Right. The value is not rising. That's the most important. It is still running. If you want to look here, there's lubricity as well. You can see the flow. But in Lupromax that is not enough. So now we're going to simulate harsh conditions. This is actually sand, alright? So this is actually coarse sand. So we're actually going to put it inside to simulate, to actually add to the friction itself. So you can see here, I'm not going to be stingy with the sand. I'm going to put it in. Can hear the sound? That is the sand grinding. Okay, one more time. So there's sand inside the mixture now. Okay, then to ship owners, in the event that there's water leaking in due to the gasket, okay, this is water. Okay, I'm actually washing it off, but because Lupromax has already polarized to the surface already. Now inside there's already water, there's already sand. Okay, let's go and push it a bit more. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna direct a direct heat over there. This is more than 1000 degrees. Okay, and we're gonna aim it directly at the oil sound itself, yeah? Okay, you can see it's actually boiling. Alright, and then it comes to a stop. Okay, let's see one more time, as we raise it up again. All we need to do is just let it run. Okay, and the lubricity is there as well.